Welcome to PCDOTS Solutions. In this video, we will introduce the effortless way how to migrate client emails to IMAP account. Let's start by downloading PCDOTS Client Converter on our machines. Now, go to the Open tab and see the list, Software Support Many Email Client and File Format. Now, go to the Open tab and choose Client Accounts option. If you have Client email client configured on a machine, click on Open Configured Client Data Files. Otherwise, select Choose from a folder option. As you can see, different folders listed in the software interface on the left. You can hide system folders during conversion. It is done by running the application on a Windows computer and click on Compact option. It also hides subfolders to facilitate the conversion. Now, tap on the client email mailbox for the data preview you want to see in the software interface and get the view. As you can see, different folders listed in the software interface on the left. Please choose the required client folder. It's fantastic that you can see the email content and other details such as email properties, signature, sender information and more. If that client mail includes attachments, this tool allows you to open, save, and save all in one tap. So, choose as per the requirements. The Export tab gives you multiple options to save email message into standard formats. And Extract tab helps you to take out email addresses, attachments, phone number and more from the emails. Select IMAP option from the Export option list. Then, mark the required folder and unmark the rest. Now, let's understand the advanced functions of the tool one by one. The first is to create empty folders. Please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. Next is an include email header. We recommend you to disable this option to remove headers from your output data to reduce output file size. The last one is appended to default folders. This option is basically for the mapping of the folders such as inbox to inbox, sent to sent and more. It allows user to insert emails into default mail folders. Now, enter the name of the folder that you want to create in IMAP account containing client emails in the backup folder name tab. Then, fill the email address, password, of the IMAP account. Fill the server address and port number of your IMAP account. Finally, go to the Save button and see the live conversion of emails. After some time, a complete conversion message pop-ups on your screen as shown in the video. Finally, go to your IMAP account. You will see a folder named as Exported. Tap on it and get the client emails with all properties. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment box. To watch more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.